Is it time to buy or sell ASP Isotope stock? In this video, we are diving deep into ASP Isotopes. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked ASP Isotopes as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.27. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 12.73% since we first listed ASP Isotopes as a buy candidate 5 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.55% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The analysis of the 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 29% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 1.4% to 43.48%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a potential change of around 99%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from 24.33% to 116.96% over the next year. In practical terms, this would set the future price somewhere between $13.10 and $22.86. Our latest daily update for ASP Isotopes includes the headline, ASP Isotopes Inc. stock price up 4.51% on Thursday. The ASP Isotopes Inc. stock price gained 4.51% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025. The price rose from $10.08 to $10.54. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.84%, reaching a low of $10.08 and a high of $10.87. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 0.33% for this period. Additionally, volume increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 2 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 5 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $51.08 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $11.68, while the lowest price was $2.11. Currently, the price is 9.8% or $1.15 below the 52-week high of $11.68, which is also the all-time high for the stock. ASP Isotopes has been active this summer with a series of strategic moves that could reshape its future. In the months of July and August, the company secured shareholder and regulatory approval to acquire Renergen, advanced Renergen's Phase 2 engineering, procurement, and construction selection, and hosted South African investors at its facilities in Pretoria as it progresses toward a planned dual listing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Additionally, it priced a direct offering of $60 million in late July, strengthening its cash position while diluting existing shareholders. On the operational front, ASP signed a memorandum of understanding with Fermi America to explore a high-assay, low-enriched uranium enrichment facility in Texas, appointed a chief executive officer for its Quantum Leap Energy Fuel Unit, and contributed to the establishment of a radiotherapeutics platform, IsoBio, thereby expanding its reach into medical isotope therapeutics. However, the securities investigation announced in June presents a legal challenge. In the short term, expect fluctuations. The progress of the dual listing on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange, the investor event, and funding news could enhance liquidity and sentiment, while the $60 million offering and the ongoing investigation may exert pressure on the share price. Looking ahead, successful integration of Renergen, effective execution on high-assay low-enriched uranium and commercial isotope products would significantly boost revenue and strategic value. However, these potential gains are contingent upon complex regulatory approvals, capital-intensive developments, and lengthy timelines, execution risks that will continue to impact ASP Isotopes valuation. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned ASPI a buy grade with an initialize action. On the same day, Friday, the 4th of October, 2024, Canaccord Genuity also assigned ASPI a buy grade with an initialize action. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 17th of April, 2024, H.C. Wainwright gave ASPI a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned ASP Isotope stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for ASP Isotopes. The ASP Isotopes Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $9.77 and $9.57. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, August 12, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 6.02%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently active from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD). Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 13 days ago. Bollinger Bands. A buy signal was identified 105 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 5 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 98 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 91 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for ASP Isotopes. ASP Isotopes Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $10.49, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.79 between its high and low, which is approximately 7.84%. Over the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for ASP Isotopes, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profitability and could indicate risks related to bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2025. The consensus estimates from analysts stand at negative 0.09. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ASP Isotopes. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for ASP Isotopes is at $10.57. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, ASP Isotopes encounters its first support level at $10.49. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for ASP Isotopes from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 17th of April in the year 2025, when Ainscow Robert conducted an insider sale of 66,668 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is established at $10.03, reflecting a decline of 4.78%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is ASP Isotopes stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for ASP Isotopes Inc. stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 29th of August, we anticipate ASP Isotopes to open lower by 4 cents and begin trading at $10.50. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.